Kia ora, welcome to my happy place. If you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment so I know that you've been, don't be shy, and please enjoy. Right, I haven't done a video what seems a long time. I've been away at the lake and the internet down there was absolutely shocking this time. So I didn't do any videos, and I don't think I did any the week before I went away either. So I'm going to start off with a pick 10 and go from there. Oh, that's typical. That'd be typical of me. Just knock something over. Right, let's go. Number 1. Add glitter or glitter paint. Right, glitter paint. Where is my glitter paint? I think I might just have to put down some glue, I think, and make some glitter. And I think I might just go around. Just might make a little border of glitter. Something different. Haven't done this before. Just go up here. Just lay some glue around. And let me see. I've got a nice little purple one here. Let's see if I can get the cork out. They keep on breaking on me. Right. Oops. I'm just going to go around here and see what sticks and what doesn't. Looks like a right mess at the moment, but I've got so much of these glues, it doesn't really matter. Whoops, I don't really want to do that, but right, we're just going to move this all out of the road and I'll be back when I have cleared it up. Right, I'm back and I'm just going to see if I can tip this into this tiny little opening. Might as well save what I can. Right, that's enough. Saved as much as I can. Find my cork. Got a brush here. Good wash off. So that is my border. Doesn't look like there's any down in this corner, but there is. Might just put a little bit more down there actually. See if we can just give it a little bit more in that corner. It won't hurt. Just see if I can just give it a very gentle tapping down here. Yeah. That's better. I'm just going to blow that off. Yeah. Right, that's enough. That is our first prompt. Oh, there's our. Oh, I'm quite liking that border actually. Right. Collage down napkin pieces. Right, I have got a bag of napkin pieces here. So I'm just going to see what I've got. That's cute. I don't think we want Santa Claus. Got lots of centre in there, but we don't want that. This is nice. We'll have some of this. Right, now we want some glue. I'll just fish out our glue here. Right. I found if you put a piece of waxed paper under your on your jar, under the lid, it is much easier to open. Right. Just put some of these down in pieces, I think. Quite like this. Oops. Put some up here. Just gives us a bit of a background. Oops. Don't mind a bit of crinkling, it just gives a bit of texture. Right, a bit more here. Oops. Rough as guts. We had a lovely, lovely 8 days down at the lake. The weather was absolutely fantastic. We had some icy mornings, but the days were just beautiful. Just beautiful. The lake was flat. Not that we've got a boat to get out on the lake, but it was so lovely. And there went a lot of permanents down at the lake, but because we're allowed to travel around and everybody's been locked up for so long, there was camper vans coming in most nights. That one's just a bit up. So that was nice to talk to different people and just take a little bit off that. Put that down here, I think. Right. Quite cool. Just have a little bit more in here. Why not? Why not? Just give it a little bit more. Put a bit of glue over it to make sure it's all down. Right. Just put this little bit down here. I'm quite liking that. Oops. I'll just, oopsie. Give this a little bit more in there. Right. Just move that out of the road and get all this out of the road. Let's pop it all out of the way. Just lock our glue up so that I don't knock it everywhere. We bought a new heater for the caravan, and it goes up on the wall, and it's like a little miniature heat pump, and it just worked beautiful for the mornings. Right, I'll just dry that off and then I'll be back. Right, I'm back and get on to number 3. Add flowers drawn, painted or collaged. Right, Well, I am going to paint them, but I'm going to stamp some flowers down first because I'm not very good at right. Whoops. Right, and just have a little look at that. See what we're going to do. We've got here, what have we got here? We've got some yellow. See if we can just paint these up with our woodies. Yeah, now what colour are we going to do? Got a red here, an orangey red. All we're going to do is put some flowers on. I'll get some paint on here in a minute. I mean, some water on to move it around. Right, now we just need a little brush here. Right. I'm not the bestest of flower. I think there should be another one in there somewhere. Right, now we want a couple of little stalks. Not very good at leaves, but hey. Right, now we've got here a little bit of greenery. Colour them in. A little roughness. I don't mind. Right. I'm quite enjoying my woodies. Excuse me. Right, now let me see. Give them a bit of a oops. Put a bit much water on those, I think. Never mind, it'll just give it a little painty look. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. I'll just give it a dry off. Right, now I'm just going to get my little stabilo to go over it. Just give it a little go a little around my flowers, and I don't think that I did any good with that because it was a bit wet and it smushed down my pencil, but hey, Just give it a little rough look. I think I want a little bit. Just a little bit less. A little bit less water on it, so it doesn't look too bad. Oh, they look a bit minky, don't they? Oh well. Just a little bit minky they look, but never mind. Right, now I'll just give that a bit of a dry off. Right, we're up to number 6, and that's looking like a right hot mess, but never mind. Head gems, oh really? Right, I'm going to these great big gems as our flower front. Right, I don't know if you can see that, but there they are. Right, and we're on to number 7. Add diamonds. I might use some turquoise, I think. Oops, it's a bit much, but never mind. See what we're going, just sort of see if we can just fix this background up a little bit. It's just going to hopefully do something to our background. Cool. Just give us a bit of right. Now I'm going to dry that, and then I'm going to add another colour over the top, I think. Right. Now we're going to sort of hopefully go in between and see what we can do here. Not everywhere. Just give us a little bit of colour in different places. Cool. see what we can do here. Just give it a little bit more around. Yeah, it's not too bad. Right, now we are up to number 8. Just added a bit more red to my flowers to define them a bit more, and add wallpaper. Oh, really? Alright, I've got a bit of wallpaper here that I am going to cut. Now, see what we can do with. These are just little leaves. And I might just add them to the flowers we've got. And just make them look a little bit better, as since I am not the greatest of leaf drawers. That one there, I think. Right. That can go there, and that can go there, and we have let's see what I've got over here. Right, I'm not used to doing videos, and here I am as quiet as can be. So sorry about that. Right, okay, we've got leaves for a start, so we will put those down. Find our glue. And just add our glue. This is just craft glue, but it is very quick grabbing. Oops. Now that one doesn't go, so we'll just find a different one. This one here is not quite the right shape, but never mind. Right. Yeah. Just get them in the right place there. Whoops. Right. Quite like that. I was wondering, will I add our little bird as well? Will I add that there or not? Just take that off. And you there. along the ground, I think. I might just do that, why not? Just to give us a little something else on our page. Because as I say, something else will come along, completely stuff it up. Cool. Okay, liking that. Get all that out of the road. And we are up to number 9. Add an image with a homemade stamp. Right. Okay, I've got some homemade stamps here. We're going to do white paint, I think. Right. Just smooth it out a bit. Right. Let's get my hand to wipe. Let's put some white rings around. Just give something else to the background. Right, now on this side, some littler ones. Right. Some blue there as well. Might add some blue ones. Right, I think that's enough of that. I should dry that off and be back. Right, I'm back. That's pretty dry. And we're on to number 10. Add at least one piece of ephemera. Got a little butterfly here. And I am going to add that. There's my ephemera. Now, right, let's see if I can just get some glue out here. Right, and that is just going to go there like that. Let's hold it down for a minute. Right, now this time shut our glue up so it doesn't get all gunked up. Right, now we're up to wild card, and I usually use my wild card as a border, but we've got one, so I think that I am going to get what am I going to use? Not that. Just a little bit of charcoal, I think, just to go around our bird. Just to bring them out a bit. Now leaves. Oops. Just to smudge them up a bit, I think. Oops. Just come around here, just to make it look just a little bit more. I think that's just going to go around our bits like that. And I think that is it. Just get a pen to put my name and the date. And the date today is, what is the date today? The 5th of June. Right. Mags. The 5th of the 6th, 2020. Half a year gone already. My goodness. So that is my very messy Let's get rid of that heavy book. Just makes the journal even while I'm working on it. And that is my very messy page. Stay safe, stay kind, and keep arting.
Thank you for being with me. Kia kaha, stay strong, and I'll catch you again soon.